In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add table on Wix. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. This is the main workspace where you can make changes to your pages, add new content, and control how everything appears on your website. Make sure you are in the correct site before you continue, so the table is added exactly where you want it. Once your site is open in the editor, look to the left side of the screen and click the plus icon, which is the Add Elements button. This is where Wix keeps many of the tools and content blocks you can place on a page. After clicking it, you will see different options for adding new features to your site. From here, you have two possible ways to add a table. One option is to click Embed Code and then choose Embed HTML. This method is useful if you already have custom table code that you want to place on your Wix site. After selecting the HTML embed option, you can set up the embed in the area Wix provides. This gives you flexibility if your table comes from another platform or has been custom built. The other option is to click Apps and search for the word table. This is often the easier choice if you want a ready-made solution directly inside Wix. When you search, Wix will show apps related to tables, and you can choose the one that best fits your needs. Take a moment to look at the app details so you can pick the option that matches the style and function you want for your site. After you choose an app or finish setting up your HTML embed, go ahead and click Add to Site. This places the table element onto your page so you can position it where it looks best. If needed, you can adjust its placement within the editor to make sure it fits neatly with the rest of your layout. Keeping the table aligned with your design will help your page look clean and professional. When everything looks good, the final step is to click Publish. Publishing saves your changes and makes the table live on your Wix website, so visitors can see it. If you skip this step, your edits will stay only inside the editor and will not appear on the live site. That covers everything you need to know.